Isa po ko sa mga trainers po sa International Marketing Group. So sa ngayon po ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyong National Health Shield. This is a government agency's healthcare plan in partnership po with Kaiser. Kasi po nakapag-ikot po tayo sa iba't ibang schools, sa iba't ibang mga meetings po ng mga public schools district supervisors sa mga district nila. May mga teachers and principals po and public schools teachers supervisor po na humihingi sa atin ng presentation para daw makascade nila ito sa kanilang mga teachers. Siyempre, parte ng ating mission, may paliwanag ito sa kanila. Sa inyo po, mga tagapaglingkod ng ating gobyerno. So, ako pala si Dave Sagarit, sabi ko na kanina, ito po aking contact information. Pwede nyo pong scan yung QR code ko at nakalagay din po dyan ang aking contact information. So, may office po tayo dito po sa Bicol, meron po tayo sa San Fernando at meron din tayong main office po natin sa Kings Court Building po. Ayan po, nakikita po ninyo sa screen. Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy po, focusing on the discussion about the National Health Shield in partnership with Kaiser, pag-usapan muna po natin ngayon ang pinaka-background po, ang pinaka-pundasyon ang itinuturo. Ito pong Solid Financial Foundation. Okay, so sabi dito, i-build daw natin itong financial foundation from the ground going up. Okay, ano pinakailalim po niya? Ang increase of the cash flow. So kasi, di ba, yan ang mag-sustain ng ating financial foundation. Bakit hindi natin na-achieve ang ating mga financial goals? Kasi nga, baka kulang yung cash flow. Ang cash flow po is income minus expenses. Yung matitira, yung cash flow. Kaya two sides of the coin. Income. Baka kulang income, kaya we need to increase the income. Pero karamihan pa ng increase ng income, sumusunod yung expenses. Ikalawa po dito is the healthcare protection. Bakit po importante ang healthcare protection? Kasi po, pag magkasakit ka, affected ang pag-increase ng cash flow mo. 'Di ba? Pag may sakit ka, double jeopardy. Una, gagastos ka sa hospital. Ikalawa, wala kang income. After the healthcare protection po is the life insurance. O bakit importante pong life insurance? Kasi po, sabi nga niyan, kung wala ka pang financial house, you need to rent a big amount. Parang bahay, pag wala ka pang bahay, you need to rent your house. Kagaya rin sa financial foundation, insurance is renting the big amount. Just in case the breadwinner dies, automatic po, mag-iiwan ka ng insurance protection or insurance fund sa family mo. Hindi mo sila iiwan ng hirap sa buhay. And then po, pang-apat po ay debt management. So, di ba? Tinatanong ko sa mga teachers, importante ang debt management, dapat ma-eliminate ito kasi itong anay na magpapabagsak ng solid financial foundation. Okay, ang panglima po ang tinatawag nating emergency fund. Pwede mangyari emergency, di ba? Minsan, walang fund. Kaya nangyayari, mas nababaon sa utang. Ano daw pong sukat ng isang emergency fund? Dapat daw po mayroon tayong 3 to 6 months savings equivalent to our monthly income. Kaya halimbawa, kung ang iyong income ay 20,000 monthly income, so times 3, 60,000 times 6, dapat meron tayong 120,000. Example lang po ito. And the last step is actually the investment. Kailangan natin mag-invest. Bakit po? Mag-invest na tayo sa mga may mataas na interest like mutual fund, itinuturo natin yung stock market para mapabilis natin maabot ang ating mga investment goals. So, yan po ha. Follow the Solid Financial Foundation. Ang tanong, Dave, maganda itinuturo ng IMG regarding the Solid Financial Foundation. Pero ang tanong, paano Dave kami mag-execute? Kaya po ang IMG, binigyan tayong access to the major providers in the financial industry. Andyan po ang Kaiser International sa healthcare. Yan po pag-usapan natin mamaya. So, meron din po tayo sa life insurance. Ang partner po natin ang Manila Bankers Life. So, ito nagbibigay ng, kumbaga, protection sa atin in case of the death of the breadwinner. Automatic, hindi mo iwan ng hirap ang pamilya. And Fidelity Life po. So, ito po, with an amount of 500, meron ka agad na 50,000 natural death life insurance. Pati po ang non-life insurance, mga partner din po tayo. Wherein, pag naging part ka ng IMG community, you can earn a discount sa yung car insurance, house insurance, business insurance, etc. Pati po yung sinasabi natin investment, we are partner with the different mutual fund companies. But ang mga IMG independent representatives don't sell mutual fund. It's Rampber who sells insurance po. But we teach people on how to have the access and to have understanding about the mutual fund. Pati real estate po, partner din natin, and other allied financial services. Sabi ko na nga, we focus on the Kaiser presentation. Kung mabalikan po natin itong itinuturo natin, ang Kaiser po, ang exclusive broker ay walang iba po kundi ang International Marketing Group. Okay, so bakit po importante ang healthcare? Kung titignan mo sa Solid Financial Foundation, di ba bago investment, healthcare na muna. Isang pagkakasakit, pwedeng maapektuhan ang pag-increase ng cash flow mo, mahahatak mo agad investment mo, mababaon ka sa utang, mababaon tayo sa utang, at syempre, madideplete ang ating emergency fund. So, kaya, kung titignan mo huli ang itong sa Solid Financial Foundation, the next step is none other than the healthcare. And then the next is that, sabi, sa mga itinuturo natin sa IMG, sa Pilipinas ngayon, a lot of sick people die not because there is no medicine or treatment available, but because they don't have money to pay for this cost. Diba marami tayong doktor, maraming gamot. Minsan, walang pampadoktor, walang pampagamot. Ikunento ko sa mga talks ko sa mga teachers, sa mga principals, school heads. So, sinabi ko sa kanila na the hospitals cannot let you in without deposit, without the healthcare, and cannot let you out without the full payment. Kaya ang ganda ng programa ng gobyerno po sa atin ngayon. The initiative of the government. Let's continue. A study commissioned by the World Health Organization showed that most health expenses are shouldered by the private households. As much as 48% of the total health expenditures. Ang tanong ko po ganito. Sa tingin nyo ba, sa locality nyo, ang bawat household ba may capacity to pay the 48% of the total health expenditures? Di ba? Wala. O pwede naman meron, pero kunti lang. These households, sabi dito, often had to use out of the pocket payments for their health expenses. Kaya pag hindi ito napaghandaan, pwedeng naibenta mga properties, nasangla, etc. etc. So, na-realize nyo po ba na last year wala pa itong National Health Shield? Naisip nyo po ba na mabuti pa ang mga sa pribado, mayroong mga healthcare, mabuti pa si empleyado ni company ABC, mayroong health card, pero bakit ang nagilingkod sa gobyerno? Wala. Pero ngayon, nag-grant ang government ng National Health Shield 7,000. Kailangan lang po nito is i-partner ito sa isang healthcare company. Opo, yan. So, yan po ang sinasabi natin, the National Health Shield. So, ngayon, ipaliwanag muna natin ngayon kung sino ba talaga si Kaiser. Okay. So, we are going to pay attention to the three important details here. Hindi natin mabasa ito lahat-lahat. Kaiser was founded on June 8, 2004. Ibig sabihin nito, diyan mo makikita that the length of the service corresponds to the credibility and integrity of our company. Ibig sabihin, matagal na tayo naglilingkod sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. At ibig sabihin nito, sa tagal ng maglingkod natin, certified pa tayo ng Department of Health and Insurance Commission to operate, and we were certified last July 26, 2004. Ibig sabihin nito, we are highly regulated. We're credible. We have the integrity. Hindi tayo fly by night. And lastly, spearheaded po ang Kaiser ng ating Presidente and Medical Director, Dr. Lea Uyolo. So, sino ba si Dr. Uyolo? Siya lang naman po ang Presidente ng lahat ng mga healthcare lahat ng mga HMO. So, ilan bang healthcare companies sa Pilipinas? Siya po ang Presidente. So, makikita mo dito ng ati palang Presidente, isang napakagaling na leader po when it comes to the healthcare world. Okay. Kaya, na-propel niya po, kumbaga, ang pagiging matatag at dedicated service to the Filipino na Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated. So, ang kagandahan pa nito is we are family-oriented. Anong character ng Pinoy? Di ba? Close family ties tayo. Kaya nakikita ng Kaiser ang bawat needs ng pamilyang Pilipino. So, our program caters to the family so that, di ba, isang pagkakasakit nagiging kausa ito ng, kumbaga, kalungkutan sa pamilya, stress sa pamilya. Kaya nakita ng Kaiser po ang pangailangan ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Okay, what are the network of providers po ng Kaiser? Andyan po ang mga doctors natin na accredited, more than 12,000 nationwide, hospitals and clinics po, 2,000 and growing. And ang Kaiser Medical Center po, 9 clinics and growing po. So, di ba, kumbaga, naglilingkod po tayo sa mga pamilyang Pilipino. Gamit po ang mga tools pong ito. So, yan. At meron tayong, we offer, excuse me, 24/7 call center, customer care center in liaison officer. So, just in case knock on wood, ang isang ipalagay natin, far-flung area, I just talk to us, far-flung place sa atin sa Siruma. Sabi ko, I talk to the teachers, to the principals. Sabi ko, dito pa lang po sa Siruma, tawagan natin agad natin ang call center. 24/7 sagutin ta automatic niyan bago man lang makarating sa hospital, naka-ready na po na for accommodation and confinement po ang isang mako-confine na tagapaglingkod ng gobyerno. So, yan talagang we are ready to help every Filipino family. So, yan. Magtitiwala ba ang mga major hospitals na ito kung hindi credible ang ating company na si Kaiser? So, we're partner with the different major hospitals like St. Luke's, Asian Hospital, so, andyan po si Philippine Heart Center, etc., Makati Medical Center. So, talagang we are credible company sa Manila at sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas po. So, andyan ang Adventist Hospital ng Cebu, etc., etc. So, dito po sa Naga City, so, kasi nag-discuss po ako sa mga teachers and principals dito sa Bicol. So, sa Naga City, ang accredited hospitals natin ay Mother Seton, Plaza Medica po, sorry, typo error po yan, Bicol Access, NICC, and meron po tayong dyan sa, malapit dyan sa, just forget the name po, sa Bicol Care, malapit po sa CBD Terminal po. So, sa Iriga po, ang Tancholing po is accredited din po sa atin. So, ngayon, Dave, talaga bang naglilingkod na ang Kaiser sa gobyerno? Sa mga empleyado ng gobyerno? Sa mga tagapaglingkod ng gobyerno? Sa tinagal-tagal po ng panahon, we've been serving the, all the employees tagapaglingkod po dito sa House of Representatives, sa Kongreso, sa Senado, mga senador, mga empleyado niyan, etc., etc. Ang healthcare provider po nila, matagal ang panahon, bago pa si National Health Shield, ang Kaiser. Supreme Court, mga municipal trial courts, mga justices natin, mga judges natin. So, mga naglilingkod po sa Supreme Court, mga empleyado. Ang healthcare provider po nila na other than po ay si Kaiser. O di ba, bago pa si National Health Shield, naglilingkod na po tayo. Pati po ang DAR. So recently po, remarkable po, pati po ang Department of Justice. So tayo na po ang provider ng healthcare ng Department of Justice. Pati po ang PIDEA at marami po, PEZA, etc., etc. po. So we've been in collaboration to the government so that the government employees should be productive in their work, na kumbaga in case of their medical needs, in case of their healthcare needs, andyan po tayo sa pag-provide sa kanila. So sino po mga eligible po dito? So para may idea po kayo. Siyempre po ang mga national government agencies, GOCCs, SUCs. So, yan po, bawat entities ng gobyerno, sa DepEd. So, andyan po tayo. So, kumbaga, ito yung mga eligible na can avail po ng ng healthcare benefit. So sabi dito, the group applicant must have an authorized or designated signatory representing the respective government institution. So pag may group, so po pwedeng may association. So sino po ba doon ang signatory sa board, or pwede yan si public schools district supervisor, pwede rin sa school, certain schools si principal. There is no minimum po of number of members required for enrollment. However, the entire agencies or department must participate if they choose to enroll to avoid anti-selection. So, yan po. Better po na kung lahat naman qualified, better to avail this one. Why? Napaka-importante po ng ating healthcare. And all applications should be subject to underwriting guidelines and approval. So, syempre, the submitted master list will be evaluated by the underwriter. And good news, pakita ko mamaya, pati pre-existing illness po is covered. So, yan po. So, eligibility po for the principal members. So, good news po, from 18 years old until 65 years old. Kasi ordinarily, ang isang short-term healthcare, ang maximum age niya po is 60 years old. Pero ngayon po, as much as the maximum age of 65, pwede pong ma-cover. Di ba good news? So, sa mga dependents naman po tayo. So, sa mga married members, the legal spouse at least 18 to 65. So, the legitimate or legally adopted children, ito maganda to, 1 year old to 21 years old of age, who are unmarried, unemployed, living under the same roof as the principal. So, what's the advantage pag kumuha kayo ng dependent? So, kasi para kang bumili ng sasakyan. Pag individual kang bumili ng sasakyan, mahal. Pero kung maramihan, meron tayong tinatawag na fleet discount. So, ibig sabihin po nito, as long as na follow tong qualification na to, they can buy the same price. They can invest the same price sa kanilang healthcare na 7,000. Kasi kung kuha ka po ng individual healthcare, napakamahal po. So better to take advantage of the benefit of the National Health Shield, wherein the immediate family members, as long as it follows the requirement, can also join the community of those who will avail the National Health Shield benefit through Kaiser. So, mga dependents po ng mga single members. Parents must be enrolled first, followed by the eldest siblings, and so on. Parents, that's the principal, up to the maximum age of 65. And brothers or sisters, 1 year old to 21 years old, who are unemployed and are living under the same roof as the principal. O, yan po Dependent, may hindi libre pero mayroon tayong sinasabing fleet discount. Okay, I hope you're able to follow. So, ngayon, ang benefit po ng Kaiser, in collaboration with the National Health Shield, meron siyang 5 benefits. Meron siyang preventive, meron siyang confinement or inpatient. Number 3, outpatient. Meron siyang emergency. Pang-4, at lastly, pang-5, ay dental. Iisa-isahin po natin itong mga benefits na to para mas ma-appreciate po natin. Okay? So, yan po. Pag preventive, syempre, di ba sabi natin, prevention is better than cure. So, ano mga benefits po nito? Unlimited consultation, different medical doctors, specialization, and subspecialties. So, di ba? Hindi lang yung meron pang subspecialties. Kasi, di ba, minsan sa mga sakit, meron pang subspecialties. So, meron tayo dyan na, kumbaga, they can enjoy the free consultation. Patient history taking upon consultation. Periodic monitoring of health problems. So, ito pa, health education. Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga kulang tayong kaalaman. And counseling on diet and exercises. So, the doctors know that. So, they can give us the free counseling and free health education. So, ito po, just in case, nakalmot ng pusa, na kagat ng aso. So, meron tayong effective vaccines and treatment of tetanus and animal bites. Pero ang maximum coverage is 10,000 po. O kisa naman sa wala, di ba? Health habits and family planning counseling. So, meron po tayo yan. At isa po kaganda sa prevention ay ito po, complete blood count, urinalysis, so yung wiwi na, kumbaga, that will be examined in the laboratory, fecalysis, kasi dito nadidetermine kung mayroon kang sakit o wala. Kaya alam mo na kung anong maiiwasan mo. Chest x-ray. ECG po, minimum age rather, is 40 years old. Pap smear for women, minimum age is 40 and above, or if prescribed. O, take note or if prescribed. Pag prescribe ng doktor. So let's now go to the second topic after we discuss about the preventive. Go to the inpatient just in case there's the nature of confinement. O room and board, semi-private room, up to 800. O single ka ni hospital ng 1,500. So, sa'yo ang 700, covered ni Kaiser ang 800. O imagine mo na last year, di ba, wala naman. So, buti ngayon meron. So, operating room and recovery room. Diba? After the surgery, may recovery room. Maximum benefit limit yan. Administered medicines, maximum benefit limit within the hospital po yan, ha? X-ray and other laboratories in exam, maximum benefit limit. Professional fee sa mga attending physicians, surgeons, anesthesiologists, TF kay doctor, maximum benefit limit. Medicines for inpatient availment, maximum benefit limit. So, Dave, ano pala yung maximum benefit limit ni Kaiser? For the 7,000 premium. So, meron tayong 75,000 maximum benefit limit. Per year, per patient, per illness. So, yun ha. So, intravenous fluids and transfusion of fresh whole blood, maximum benefit limit po. So, ICU confinements. Nakunudo naman sana mangyari. Pero just in case mangyari, dialysis, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, maximum benefit limit. So, bakit meron ditong chemotherapy? Bakit meron dialysis? Kasi nga, pre-existing illness covered. Covered ang pre-existing illness. So, yan po. Laparoscopic surgery. Yan po. Mga procedures na to, just in case within the confinement or pwedeng outpatient, etc. Meron tayong per procedure po, there is the corresponding amount. Okay, angiography, myelogram, electromyography, nerve conduction, velocity studies, 5,000. So I'm not so familiar with this term because I'm not into the medical field, but I am just relaying this to you that just in case this happens, we shared to you this video so that just in case, say for example, endoscopy happens, endoscopy procedure is, you undergo the procedures of endoscopy, there is the corresponding maximum benefit amount. So, yan po. Pinapakita ko lang po, ha? So, just good news po nito. Physical therapy, 10 sessions, libre, di ba? Ganda. Magkano ba per session? Palagay mo ng 2,000, 1,000, o kung 2,000 dyan, o di ba, 20,000. Prenatal and postnatal care, o. Maternity is not covered. O bakit hindi covered ang maternity? Hindi man siya sakit. At hindi siya emergency, ha? Kasi meron 9 months na preparation. Okay. So, yan po. Napakita ko po yung inpatient. So, outpatient naman ngayon. Not requiring the confinement. So, referral to specialists. So, yan po. So, meron tayong ganun. So, di ba? Specialty, subspecialty. So, meron tayong mga referral. Free referral po. Regular consultations and treatment. Except prescribed medicines. Ano ibig sabihin? Except prescribed medicines. So, yung gamot na pinag-prescribe ng doktor, binili mo sa pharmacy, walang refund po yun, ha? It is not covered. Laboratory, X-ray, and other diagnostic examination prescribed by a Kaiser accredited physician. Prescribed by the accredited physicians, covered. Treatment of minor injuries in surgery not requiring confinement, covered. Ear, nose, eyes, EANT, simple na lang natin. Covered po yan. So, let's now go to the emergency care. So, emergency care. So, ito, the following benefits are covered for members in an emergency case who is in a critical condition caused by an illness or injury, not requiring, or kahit sa emergency pa lang, emergency room pa lang, mayroon ng procedure. At covered po yan. So, di ba, imagine mo nung panahon, nung wala pa si National Health Shield, di ba takot tayong ma-hospitalize? Bakit? Kasi the consequence, the payment. So what's the effect of this one? What's the benefit? In partnership of Kaiser in National Health Shield, magkakaroon nga sinasabing peace of mind. Peace of mind. So physician services, medicines utilized during the treatment for immediate relief, mga cast, dressings, and sutures like mga palagin natin mga because of the injury or illness. So, covered po. Oxygen intravenous fluids, X-ray laboratory, and other diagnostic examinations directly related to emergency management of the patient po. So, Dave, what if the emergency is within the accredited hospitals? May coverage pa. Meron pong refund yan. But Kaiser will cover only the 80% of the hospital bills, inclusive of the professional fees based on Kaiser accredited units. And syempre, depending on the maximum benefit limit. So Kaiser shall only pay the said amount 80% when it is verified that the use of the Kaiser designated provider would entail delay resulting in death. Siyempre, emergency yun eh. Emergency yun. So, siyempre, since this emergency, mayroong coverage. But, as I've said, 80% po. So, what if in the areas wherein wala talagang accredited hospitals inter-province na yan, 100% po yan. 100% po of the maximum amount po. So, dental care. Pang-apat na dental care na po tayo. So, consultation and dental examinations free. So, dental nutrition and dietary counseling, dental health education, restorative and prosthodontic treatment, simple tooth extraction. Siyempre, covered po yan. Unlimited po yan. I'm just kidding po. Diba? Imaginein mo. So, meron mga benefit na binibigay sa atin ang Kaiser po to answer the needs of ng mga naglilingkod sa gobyerno. Unlimited temporary filling as needed po. Annual prophylaxis, pagpa-cleaning po, libre po yan. Pero mild cases lang po. Pero kung mayroon ng additional ng mga kasi matakapal na yung tartar, maraming chemical dinagdag si dentista, so i-charge ka na po ni dentist dyan, ha? Simple tooth adjustment of dentures. Simple procedure lang po, ha? Recementation of loose crowns, inlays and onlays, permanent filling up to the surfaces only. Okay. So, good news. Naku, ano naman din hihingi? Meron bibigay si Kaiser na financial care assistance in case of death po. Natural death po is 10,000. Accidental death is 20,000. So, yun. And then, pati po yung mga dismemberment, dismemberment benefit. So, dismemberment po, dismemberment. So, mayroon pong mga bayad po yan. Mga financial care assistance. But this is only for, sabi dito ha, for principal members only. Okay. So, what are the restrictions or exclusions? Dito sa number 2, shall not have been provoked by the member. Hindi ka nanghamon. Hindi ka na-engage. Number 3, sa mga political activities, performing investigative, security or political functions, or holding any elective government position. Di ba, nag-join ka sa rally, may nangyari doon, hindi walang coverage po. And hindi ka nag-staycation sa mga lugar na ito. Pakibasa na lang po. So, nag-staycation ka sa Maguindanao, may nangyari doon, hindi ka covered po. Tapos, ganito po yan, ha? So, babayaran mo na ni PhilHealth ang kanyang part. Yung matira, depende sa coverage, ika-cover po ni Kaiser Healthcare, Kaiser International Healthcare Group Incorporated. So for example, the total is 100,000. Ipalagay natin yung 10% kinover ni PhilHealth. So minus 10,000, tira 90,000. 90,000 minus the maximum benefit limit na 75,000. Meron na tirang 15,000. Yun po ang coverage yun po ang issue-shoulder ni pasyente. Okay. Pre-existing conditions. Okay. So these are the descriptions of the pre-existing conditions. All pre-existing conditions shall be deemed covered by Kaiser. Ibig sabihin to covered ni Kaiser. Those illnesses or injuries or any adverse medical condition present prior to and within the 12 months from the effective date of the cover. Ibig sabihin nito, bago pa man lang nag-apply sa Kaiser, meron ka ng sakit na ganyan. Good news, kung ordinarily short-term, hindi covered on the first year, but napakabait po ni Kaiser, covered po yan. The member was aware or should reasonably have been aware of the signs and symptoms of such illness as injury or medical conditions. The pathogenesis or onset of such illness, injury, or adverse medical condition has started during the contestability period of the membership. The good news is, covered. At ito po yung mga lista. So, pwedeng i-screenshot, pakibasa po. So, para hindi tayo ma-delay, so, ipinapakita ko lang po, halimbawa, migraine, arthritis, so, covered po siya. Prostate disorders, covered po. Dreaded diseases po, cerebrovascular accident, stroke, so, etc., etc. There's the coverage for this one po. Okay, so, yan po. Di ko na isa-isahin, ha? Let's now go to the exclusions and limitations po. So, nagdala ka ng mga gamit. Di mo alam na pagdala mo pala ng payong, controversial. Kasi ang payong ngayon, nagdala ka ng unan. Nagdala ka ng electric fan. Tapos, dinagdag ng bayaran ng hospital. Na-evaluate ni underwriter. Hindi po yung covered, ha? Yung mga gamit lang doon na, kumbaga, available na sa semi-private ang libre. Hospitalization treatment outside the Philippines is not covered. Prescribed medicines on outpatient, prescribe, binili mo kay Mercury Drug or kay New South Star Drug, not covered. Outpatient medical and healthcare service provided only during the clinic hours. Take note, during the clinic hours. Second opinions to non-accredited po is not covered. Development disorders, metabolic diseases, sleep, eating disorders, exclusions and limitations, hindi po siya covered. But anyway, flash ko po ito, pakibasa po. Anyway po, as I promised to the teachers, I'll be sending you the copies of the presentations of the proposal para makita nyo po. Okay? So, yan ang mga exclusions and limitations po. So, okay. So, this is now the premium po. The premium. Room and board, semi-private, up to 800 only. Sinabi ko na yan kanina. Annual mode po, 7,000. Hindi siya quarterly, hindi siya monthly. Annual po. Kasi pinag-grant na po ito ng government. So, naghahanap na lang po ang bawat school ng partners po na healthcare company. And we would be glad to be partnered with you guys. So, yan. And then, the maximum benefit limit, yan po, 75,000 per illness, per member, per year. O, yan po, ha? Ulitin ko, per illness, per member, per year. So, these are the major hospitals. I-flash lang po natin. And then, just in case you go with us, you decided to be partner with the IMG, you collaborate with the IMG in providing you with the healthcare. These are the franchising for national government, health shield, government institutions. Franchise form, duly furnished po. And then, we will be sending the franchise form po dito kay marketing at kaiserhealthgroup.com. For review and approval by the President and Medical Director, Dr. Lea Oyolo. And then the franchise submission settlement policy updates. In line with our commitment to promoting equal opportunity and ensuring fair distribution among all the hardworking agents, please be advised that the following updated guidelines regarding the franchise submissions. So, yan po. So, the next step is that we will be requesting from you the master list po. And that master list po will be evaluated po. Will be submitted and be evaluated po by the Kaiser Underwriting. And after which po, Kaiser will be sending you to the principal, to the PSDS, the master list with the total billings plus the IMG bank account. Once your fund is transferred, it is verified. So, Kaiser now will be sending you with a health card, with a MOA, the hard copy of the MOA. So, yan po, to be signed by the leader. It's either the principal or the PSDS or the president of the association po. Once it is signed, ibabalik ang hard copy kay Kaiser, and Kaiser will be assisting with the pag-notarize po niyan. So, this is the sample franchise form, and paki-save po ng ating website. So, para makita nyo mga accredited hospitals and other benefits po. Paki-save din po ng ating mga hotline just in case you partner with us. So, in case of emergency, there is now the hotline that you can call po. So, that facilitated even before reaching the emergency room of the hospital. Again po, this is David Sagarit po. Thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you're able to learn a lot. Praying for your abundance and praying for your good health. More blessings to all the teachers, the government employees, lahat po naglilingkod sa gobyerno. God bless us all.